At WordPress.com, our mission is to democratize publishing and e-commerce, one website at a time. Because when you have the freedom to create, express yourself, and earn money online, the impossible becomes business as usual. We're trying to create a better web, an internet you can feel good about using, a place where people and ideas come together freely and openly. And we're here for you from day one. This channel will be your home for tutorials and how-to videos, no matter where you're at in your journey. We're also going to be sharing some of our favorite WordPress.com success stories from around the world, all from people just like you. Your website, your blog, your store. We're committed to helping you succeed. Join us at WordPress.com's new channel on YouTube.